Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8, mated up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, 4x4 driving modes, trailer mode, automatic headlights, fog lights. Truck has a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, paddle shifters on the backside, full digital gauge cluster with 8 kilometers on the odometer, push button ignition, can't miss it, 13.4-inch large touchscreen, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, your automatic shifter knob, integrated chiller braking. You do have the all black dash there, dual glove box as well, Bose audio, and our leather heated and ventilated Sierra AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color match door handles, keyless entry. We have the AT4 running boards with the textured material, AT4 on the front door, 6.2 liter V8 plaque. AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift kit. We have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals and fog lights, AT4 branded grille, parking sensors and camera system. Coming down the back side, we have rear tinted privacy windows, crew cab truck. Towards the back of the vehicle, we have LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, rear parking sensors, trailer tow pack, GM MultiPro tailgate, and LED brake lights. Taking a quick look at the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated and car seat ready. In-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting and a single pane sunroof, 3-stage heated seat controls, USB ports, rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.